And today I'm going to bake one of my favorite fish, the salmon fish, with some simple spices. So let's start making and baking. The orange colored oily fish is extremely healthy due to the high content of protein, omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. The taste of the salmon is not as strong as other fish. Rather, the meat has a mild flavored and tastes even better when baked. To make the spicy garlic baked salmon, we need to make 2 marinations. First, to make the garlic spread, take 5 cloves of garlic, 1 green chili, and a handful of coriander leaves in a chopper and finely chop them. Or you can also crush them using a mortar and a pestle. Once this is chopped, keep aside. To make the garlic spread, take 3 tablespoons of lemon juice. And to this, add the chopped garlic, green chili and coriander. Mix and keep aside. To make a hot and spicy butter spread, melt 1 tablespoon of butter, and to the melted butter add 1 teaspoon of dry red chili flakes. If you want it less spicy, then make it half teaspoon. Mix the both and keep aside. Now let's prepare the fish fillets for baking. First, wash the fillets gently. Take care not to break the fish into pieces. Keep them on a plate. And sprinkle salt to taste on both the sides of the fish. Don't add much salt if you are using the salted butter. Next, spread the butter and dry red chili mix on both sides of the fillets. Make sure to cover the whole fish with the butter to get the taste in every bite. Now spread the garlic mix on one side . And before applying it to the other side, take the baking tray, place 2 thick onion slices, and place the garlic spread side of the fish fillet on the onions. Apply the rest of the garlic mix on the other side and let it to sit for 15 to 20 minutes. And now bake the fish fillets for 20 to 25 minutes on 400 degree Fahrenheit. Turn sides midway if needed. After 25 minutes, the fish is perfectly cooked. Take out on a plate and garnish with the baked onions. Serve it as a starter, dinner, or just to enjoy the windy winter night. So thank you so much for watching Being Foodie. Make sure to subscribe, comment and share and give it a thumbs up. I shall see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy.